Sonko Zeba, Badwam Ahosepe, Jumezido, Honosomfo, the Fancy Doll, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association, Madonna say, Papa Pada Bibia Wajimbrena, when you may, it's not say about Uncommon. Now, live from Portions, restaurants in Amazon Comono, Zebro, last chance, Jojo, do Honoma, where we boom, I don't know why wooden structure building in Fefe. The mother room is when you pay BI, Benya, Wahadi, now so you have to papa into say you'll be when you watch a picture, Chawan, not a room, a good share of pictures, a crown, a day, a baby. And a paying Yami, I had Adom, and my Yanasa, a car, and a bread of quarter. Now, Muhuno on the pounds, your worship, no, on Yasam Craba. May she follow Chica Crano. Or you praise the Sanka, brand tapo, or tapo. Now, a Jumano doss, a Jumano, or doss for home, and also one of my wapon, no missing kuchamo, was sharp. So, you one my wapon, one damana, now Yakashimo nation, a pin on ye, but we two not why ye Jumano ye. And there on the page, Jojo Arhin, and now, oh, yeah, Megas. Jojo, good morning.
Good morning.
Bibiaboko.
Young Adom.
Inti Yankee, Munkade, Obake.
Obake.
Obake, Jojo Obake.
And I am Quabana.
Which of them kind of offer? Was our empire Quaba, we pay Obake.
Oh, me papa. Obake. We pay Wizo. Meaning my show off with the crank.
Okay, come home. The bed did I kind of come like Kaula?
It's
a betchy.
Thank you.
Is or recorded, the human recorded gospel?
Yamanaduma say, baby, if ya. In the baby, Yamanaduma, Yabudura, you may baby, I record so on your back. And see, but to mark I in the fancy a progress.
No answer, progressive. Jojo Arhin. A gospel artist, Macade or a rising star, Papa, a urban homos and wage mononia. Me a shop had a baying and day.
Oh,
it's much. How many years in?
Okay, I started the join group. I'm not to woman. That was 1994. And time I'm joining group. I'm not to know.
No, you have a group.
We Springs of Living Waters.
Okay.
Sunday school choir. No, I think somewhere to 1997. That was the first time me Gina them wrote to solo.
Okay.
I know school.
I have school.
Tema man here.
Okay.
And he says GHS.
Okay.
But not a GSS.
At that time, yes.
And from there me took to solo in a bigger congregation. I know see school. That's 2000. Chibu secondary school. And the Ohon me kind then times as you patron, Reverend Ofori, who also double as my spiritual father too. And Oshe Munkran, the room told us at the mission ye. Me one Reverend John Sanka, so I also me fan and sassy. Sunday school because or join the Quamuqualo as I can. Then me a short voice of the soon queen.
Okay.
Muqualo as I can like 5 times. And the mammy, Ubisa mammy, that obey the Biamba, Obanam upon no Asanaba. No, say the man or tea. Jam, no jam and Amara. Inti a Juani Fia. Me big brother, Reverend Forcing, and also Osumu, encouraging me or recommending my School of Music and Worship Youth to the Mission, 2003 into 2004. Make a discipleship training school, a DTS, and then from there me a School of Music and Worship, which is with the University of the Nations. And no, but coming the man, busy my wife says here. Now, in I school, but I'm pedagogical school.
I see.
And then more than UCC. And then Miss Lay, as I was my app in the game.
Okay.
And then Miss Call, Massey Polytechnic.
Okay.
In the Numan, then Miss Gay Family Chapel. But prior to that, and when I was doing my field work, discipleship training school, school of music and worship field work with Family Chapel. And that was when I got to know Reverend Dr. Victor, now Bishop Victor, and also the encouragement in the name we are the member. So I was fellowshipping in Family Chapel.
I see.
While I was in Kumasi Polytechnic. Maybe during the national service, come to Kumasi, I need you in Kumasi. And then we Kumasi. That is 2010. And since then I've been in Kumasi. In the music journey, I at every stage behind, and the anti-shema, I had to watch a kakra.
Over 30 years and 30 years experience.
Sort of, yeah. But I think 2013, and the very first time I moved to studio, I know thanks to Sebex, Dambasi, Dambasi, the project, Ame Sandra Frey, and Sophie Peter. That was the first time I entered the studio. And one voice production.
Now, me tell you a story. Usually, when they be in Pakono, but I don't know Musano, Namutonium, what I saw them. But I that whole story, you know, not and shut a new voice in them, but or you be no one what jump.
I know my voice wasn't good. I tell people there. I wasn't born with a good voice, but maybe me feel a family na work because papa auto kunga. Papa I learned there or new crashing or join the concert group.
I see.
And I think one of the things that helped me because me trying, my papa then times where music for you. Say kaya, maybe I've done or record. Among my siblings, no Afram, there membership. Inti make a joining kids squad now. First time I want more opportunity and be leading with but me in such a way there because I didn't want better me than now. Inti I'm supposed to imagine then I'll kill it hard because I didn't look promising, and they wanted to take it away from me. I remember after me godfather, Reverend Sanka, who did the 10th anniversary was sorry. I thought he had forgotten that experience. He shared it and I teared up.
Oh.
This guy, I sacked him. I didn't know.
Oh.
The unknown. And the young generation, I think I'm the only person doing music.
I think that this is quite a story for Obia. Any day be no son or not on you, so they means no, none of voice yet. No, what on you, my business there be what the passion.
Yeah.
And in me who says, see, you man, I ain't yet, because I enjoyed you on the pound worship. What? It's like, hey, when I even know. I ask him, Bonnie Jumantino, my industry, no, what's done, if industry then from baby, I will know.
And then I'm a catcher who was with the industry or a jungle. More baby womb.
Okay.
Friendly and unfriendly, poisonous and
you don't know, easy.
But Nina, there are bois. Becca we proud, I also can be.
Okay.
There, a boa croy friendly, obey harmful, Nina Gina Wood. Into industry Nankasan, Bismas and I can say to say Bamda. Never be brave, but Nina Yao.
Okay.
Nimdia Binya, and I said you. Stupidity kakra frafra ni na beba aye we there be ko anyimo dem ko anyimo there be stagnant nti ene de me boss bi din komo on permit me there be bonity but we bu ebenyiwa we bu ebenyiwa we there yemu binu ya ko school kakra you share music ne kakra but we bu ebenyiwa on a different level.
Okay.
I dey nyamani bi wo ma beke de enyim but e be show bi me small be chewon nti so I will not deviate in ministry, industry, or a jungle. Never be brave. You can want some other.
And the matching hand. Matwasi. Intino, may I say, no, a new song.
More about 4 new tracks.
I release a new 4 album.
That be young one. I've been, but I can't hear the same.
Oh, okay. Into that man, I said,
I'm running awesome because I'm there. I am be no man. As I hear the Empire, there will be a releasing women to be releasing me. I had a heated argument with some of my fathers who feels that you must come out and record, you must release a song. But I also believe that what makes a musician is not necessarily your ability the ever composing you may release. The Obia Tron no release one over 2 more actual we release it that.
Okay.
Inti I'm also me there or ye there a better one being released because of bois or a legacy.
Okay.
Now so on Saturday force will be there
by force
because our ledger dance the system number and Crawford they are very good writers, but they are not very good carrying or conveying the message.
Okay.
And they are forced to do so. And when they bring it out on try. Musicians are secular musicians who are writing songs for gospel musicians and they carry the message so beautifully. I can't say vice versa. Musicians that gospel musicians are actually a secular, but and I mean other gospel musicians are what thrown them. Also, now new way about but on Yemedi. Until I give it out. Until I love my bishop, Bishop Victor say. Okay. The man coughs music, sleeps music, and he's preaching and he's writing. During COVID, we recorded over 30 songs. Until he has the ability to write, but on two.
Okay.
And to make sure that but we have songs. Adom at the right time.
Okay.
He will release him one after the other.
One after the other. Okay. Yes, you're quite there. We event to be all about now.
Adom on the 5th of December. Or a annual concert. A friend Mega Praise.
Mega Praise.
Yeah.
Who praise so day? Wonderful. One young
Papa. I don't know.
Mega Praise over month.
In December.
Okay.
For about 4 consecutive times. The Iron Farmers Holiday. Normally the first Friday of December. And the year twist you there the Mega Praise.
Okay. Matters into no December. You're been December no. Nasa na ake no. Them rubber ya.
Says I am
Jojo, inti you're sorry, but Obi no be rich him. Me pede a cassa moto, Obi ni Jesudo. Obi, I try. It's the make washes in most mountain. Oka no wabonasa, Oka no wabonasa. It's on Kodam Pimonco. Another oye, why you be on your now? Shall come.
Okay, Bible no say. Anopa dua ewia dua no do enyimira men crowd seed don't withhold your seed dua because inyim mo obeso aba mo adansi share there obi biara we di ye ana wa akọ n'enyim ana waye bibi papa bia na damaje no ye ya odi nhira na abapa bai no onyim de damaje no be ami de mi ma be pray ya because baby am ke pray ya me share me big boys bi ina me nyim de damaje no be but nka menya nko krapu because circumstances or surrounding that event ni na show that don't go.
Okay.
But mutu anamon koi it wasn't favorable. But I know na ebu ekwai nti ebia wo daiso oso osese awara ono no ye daiso papa daiso biara wonso se won onye daiso nti oso se wa se nyame aya ma me a me voice a wasa ka be motia no platform no way na nyame aya no me du ama I was over ya ma nti time cool it's just a matter of time nyame be
no asabara Jojo Arhin also on chair December yoze mega praise baba details no hwekra na na yedem gidigidi onya asam kakra
no de nya hwekra we yedem
me ya kan furu no ne yedem December so details no as baba ni nyina no mabo mo ma onsa akebi mama da portions restaurant for us local and continental dishes papa bia won kan hade no ahade in ibinya into no bomo so na from one now the ways but if you had a hotel so had a pub or ha enyimbre pede begiji wanyu a bibia kwan no asasa wa fun ben she dem bebre into no mombo number no mfa mo no tuma from one now all the ways but no kwan san the edu hade from 059 743 5345 059 743 5345 Bomozanara na Afre Portions restaurant or Jomulu last chance the corner the one mara na what would one why wooden structure come power na in room and what had is no air the fancy dog and the Jojo Arhin na many no born come Jojo Madasi Yami shop papa now only be money roko amen you book
amen
no hasamari I wait many Yami show a king see a cameraman head of productions over Kofi and page OPG a producer Yami Adoma Ebasana Isha